Welcome viewers once again in the series of lectures on LaTeX. In the last lecture we have learned what is LaTeX and how to download and install. And we have also seen what are the online websites where we can write code of LaTeX and see the output. In this video we are going to discuss how to make a simple document in LaTeX. We will see how we can do the same thing online and in the software also. So let us see. In the last lecture we have installed CTEK, which can be accessed from the start menu. Here is the CTEK program which I have installed. So once I click here, so I can see the components or add-ons which are installed here. We can see the Ghost script also is there, and then graphics is also there, GS view is also there, and there is some manual also there, and DVI previewer also there, and MacTeX setting, everything is there. So here is a WinEdit. It was inbuilt in CTEK. So this is the symbol shortcut we can create on desktop using this one. I'm just opening it. Just click on it. It will open. So we need to just wait. So here is the view of this editor, the WinEdit. You can always see here unregistered copy, but we need not to worry about this one because this is not going to create any problem. So we can just cross it, and then we can close it, everything. So this is what we have. We can now open a file, blank file. So from here we can just click directly here or on new file. So just click on here. So we get a new document. So but when you are going to use it very first time, the font size what we are going to type here will be very small. But because I was already using this software, this editor, so I have enhanced the size. This size what is appearing here while we are typing is independent of what we are going to get in the output. That will be different. How much we can enhance this size, it doesn't affect the output. So this configuration we can set. Suppose now this much is the size. So this setting can be, we can increase the size of this one. So we can go to option, and then we can click on preferences, then go to font, and then change font. Then see I have selected Courier New, and then regular. It is recommended that one need to select regular because it is easy to see here. And then we can enhance the size of this one. I have selected 26. I can keep it as 28. So just OK, and then OK. So you can see that it has enhanced. But now I'm going to tell what is how we can make a simple find in LaTeX. Basically, the first line is a declarative command. One more thing before moving further is that to use this software, one need to be a little bit conversant with the computer applications. A little bit conversant is needed here. So the first line here is a declarative command. Every command in LaTeX start with backslash, and this backslash is just below the backspace button of your laptop or desktop. So just put backslash, and then the first line, what we call declarative command, is document class. Document class, and every command followed by some argument, and that argument is written in curly braces. So usually there are many document class in LaTeX, but we usually use article for typing a research article, or we can also instead of this one we can write just AMS or book, but we need to type only one thing here, that is article at one time. And after that, the second line is we are going to write begin document, and then end document. So spelling you can also correct. You can just take cursor over it, and then you right click on it, and then choose the correct one. So this is a begin document and end document. The space between the first line, that is a document class, and the document class article and begin document is called preamble. So whatever we write between document class article and this line begin document is called preamble. So this is some nomenclature what we write. So whatever we are going to write in between begin document and end document, they are going to appear in our output file. So the first line is document class article, and then we have written begin document and end document. In between we are going to write something. Okay, so whatever the texture matter we can write here. This is my first file in, and to write LaTeX there is a command like this, LATE and caps X. So this will give us a LaTeX in a particular style. So to run this one, to execute this one, just click here. You see, if you take cursor here, then in drop down menu we are seeing many things are there. But what we need here, usually we make a PDF or a DVI file using Textify. So we can select this one also, we can select this one, but by default we select here PDF Textify, because most of the places, in fact almost all places, we need only PDF. So just select it and just click over it. So it will execute, but before execution it will ask where you want to save the file. So we can browse and give the path where we want to save this file. So and once we save the file, then it will run automatically and give us output. So here, suppose on desktops, suppose I'm selecting this one, and then I'm giving some name, suppose the first. And one more thing is important. While we are naming the file, we need not to give any blank space, that is first file, not like this kind of thing. It may corrupt our file. So if at all if we want to give some space, so let us give some name like this, some underscore or something, but don't leave there any white space. Okay, so and there are many file extension also, TEK, and then BibTeX is there, then Metafont is there, so many, and then here we see STY file, style file is there. So many files are extensions are there. So we need to select. This is by default, it will be TEK only. So let us save it. So once we save it, so we are going to see some output. So it will run and it will produce some output. A pop-up window will automatically open. So just it is asking to download because the Sumatra PDF viewer is outdated. So we can just resume it. So this is my first file in LaTeX. This is what we can see here. So one thing is beauty is there. Once we click, double click, left click here, then we see that we are going to the root code what is written here. So this is only few things I have written here. The first one is a declarative command, and after that preamble starts until begin document, and then whatever we are going to write in begin document, in document is going to appear in output. So this is our simple file. So if you want to only type something text, then we need not to add any more add-ons like packages in it. So we can write whatever we want. Okay, so just now see here it is coming in the left. If you want it to keep it in middle, so we can just select it, and then we see here there is center, then is left, right, and code verbatim is there. So if you want to keep in center, so there is a, we can select and then we can keep, or we can otherwise we can type the command begin center and end center. And one more thing is there in LaTeX, whenever we are writing some command, it usually starts with a small letter after backslash. But there are some symbols which starts with the capital letters also. Okay, so now we will see here. Just run it, and we will see this is the output. This is now it is in the center. So if it want to make it bold, so we can select it, and we can go here. So just select it, this one. So we can write text BF. We can type it this also. So and then run. So we are going to see this one, you see. So this is coming in the center, and then it is in bold. Okay, so this is how we can prepare a simple document. So there are many things in file. We can see here new, and then open, then reload, then save all is there, then save as, then save copy. These are the options. So what usually we get in Microsoft Office also. Then there is another option is there in here in search. Then we can find some particular word in whole file. So this is asking for search something. So let me search. If suppose I want to search this, so let us see. So this is here, this one. Okay, so if you want replace, then also there is an option find, and then replace option is there. Let me see. So suppose here replace. So let us replace this by suppose I'm writing it, and then we can replace all, or we can say okay. So this one, so it will ask, do you want to replace it? Suppose you want yes, so it is yes. Okay, so also there is an option for undo. So here undo option there. We can press Control and then Z, or we can just click on it. So we will be the changes will be rolled back. Okay, so I am just telling some options here. So from here we can see the types of font, bold or emphasize or teletype, and from here we can see the alignment also. Here from we can see the numbering and all. So suppose I want something to be numbered, something list kind of thing. So in itemize, we will see something item one. There won't be any number, but something in bullets. Suppose we are writing A, B, and then S, then something here, something, and then here also. So let us run. See if it is running. So it is. This is how we can see. Okay, And then we can also, if you want number, then go here and then select enumerate, and then suppose we want 3 items. Okay, 3 items. It is not that we only can write here 3 items, so you can write more than 3 or hundreds of items. Okay, so here if you want something to write something, so just write something blah 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 and then run it. Okay, so this is how we can get a number kind of thing. Okay, so suppose we want some paragraph, so we can write that this is my first paragraph. Okay, so let me copy it again and again. One more thing, it doesn't matter the space. If I'm giving more than one space, it will consider only one space. It will not consider, unlike in Word file, so many spaces. Okay, so this is I copied the same content many times and just I'm running. So in the new paragraph, it will automatically give indent. Okay, so it will automatically also justify the left justification and right justification. You can see, unlike in Word, MS Word file, we need to do it manually again and again, and it will fit automatically. If you are writing something in between here, so it will adjust. If this will find the space in that line, then it will adjust in that line. So here you see this is my first paragraph and the second one here. So I have given here so much space. So much space I have given, but the thing is that there will be only suitable space. You see, only same space is there everywhere. Okay, so this is how we can even I can copy this many times, and then I'm pasting it and again. So you see, so everything is coming very nicely. All right. So if you want, suppose this is a if you are writing something letter kind of thing, suppose then suppose 2, and then for new line we need to type /, or we can write command \new line, but anyway // is there to the, and then principal okay, and then Ramanujan College. All right. So here where we need a new line, we can just type \. And one more thing, if you are forgetting for what we are using, so we can write comment. So to write comment, we need to just write a %, and we can type anything. It will not be read and executed by the file. So I'm just writing new line. So this is used for new line. Okay, so let us see what is the output of this one. You see, so here something indent is there, but I don't want indent. So let us see. No indent. We can write here no indent, and then let us see if indent is indent. So here you see there is no indent. So now it is looking very nice. Okay, so let us put something here. Suppose I want something, put my name Virendra. So I want this to be right justified. So just go here and then select right. Okay, so this is a begin flush right and end flush right. So in between whatever you want type, you can write here. Okay, so this is just to execute. This will give us okay. So this is now something application kind of thing, and here something I have written. So this is just I was telling how to produce a simple file. Okay, and if I want to make it bold and all, then we can very much do very easily. So this how we can produce a simple file. So I'll stop now. In the next video, I'll discuss how to create a file in which mathematical expressions are involved, and then slowly we will move towards how to prepare or how to type a research article along with the references and every component in a LaTeX file. Thank you.